2020 for Toyota Land Cruiser, setting a new standard in value and efficiency. With the eagerly anticipated arrival of the 2020 for Land Cruiser, Toyota enthusiasts have been awaiting news on its pricing and performance. Now, the veil has been lifted, revealing a starting price of $57,445, inclusive of the $1,495 destination fee. Heralding a new era for this iconic SUV, deliveries are slated to commence in the spring, offering drivers an unparalleled blend of luxury and capability. Despite the more accessible price point compared to its predecessor's $85,665 base price, the 2020 for Land Cruiser boasts a host of improvements. While the earlier model accommodated up to 8 passengers, the latest iteration caters to 5 occupants, fostering a more intimate yet refined driving experience. Additionally, while the towing capacity of the new SUV is rated at 6,000 pounds, down from the previous 8,000 to 100 pounds, its enhanced fuel efficiency compensates for this trade-off, with an impressive combined EPA rating of 23 miles per gallon. The 2020 for Land Cruiser eclipses its predecessor's meager 14 mpg rating. The exterior palette offers 7 captivating colors, including Ice Cap, Wine Chill Pearl, Underground, Black, Meteor Shower, Trail Dust, and Heritage Blue. 2-tone options featuring a grayscape roof further elevate the SUV's aesthetic appeal. Under the hood lies a hybrid-assisted and turbocharged 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine, generating a robust 326 horsepower and 465 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic gearbox and equipped with standard center and rear locking differentials, the Land Cruiser delivers unparalleled performance both on and off the road for adventurous souls. The mid-range trim offers a front stabilizer bar disconnect system, enhancing wheel articulation on rugged terrain. Moreover, the multi-terrain select feature, boasting mud, dirt, and sand settings for the 4-wheel drive, ensures optimal performance in diverse driving conditions. As the pinnacle of luxury and capability, the range-topping First Edition is a testament to Toyota's commitment to excellence. Limited to just 5,000 units, this exclusive model boasts a front skid plate, roof rack, 18-inch wheels with all-season tires, mud flaps, and sumptuous leather seats with heating and ventilation, ensuring an unparalleled driving experience for fortunate owners. In summary, the 2020 for Toyota Land Cruiser represents a paradigm shift in the SUV landscape, offering exceptional value, efficiency, and performance in a segment previously dominated by excess. With its bold design, innovative features, and legendary reliability, the Land Cruiser continues to set the standard for excellence in the automotive industry.